Hawk are great to deal with. They're really responsive, so if we do have an issue, they're here straight away. The machines are just faultless. They haven't stopped since we put them in. So Mt Erin, we've been here since 2012 with the current ownership structure. We pack about 25,000 apple bins a year. We also pack summer fruit as well. We pack about 9 different apple varieties plus 1 pear, all for export. And then we do summer fruit packing on the side as well. We're exporting predominantly into Asia, China, Vietnam, Thailand, and also into India as well. The problem we were looking to solve was really our consistency of our product in market, and that's what the Hawk Gen 5 packers can do. They're putting the colour up, they're orientating the fruit, so that when a buyer opens the box, they just see the same consistent product time after time. So we've got 10 Hawk denesters and 10 robotic packers of the Generation 5.
The key difference between the Gen 5 machine and the Gen 4 machine is, one, the smaller footprint. It can be retrofitted easily into pack houses that have space constraints. The second one is more inspection zones, so the customer can use all the functionality of the machine without compromising the speed. And the third one is better AI processing power, higher resolution cameras, gives the customer confidence that the fruit that they think is going in the box is the fruit that's actually going into the box.
The Gen 5 machines were really the key to the success here at Mt Erin. We've got rather narrow tray fillers, and other solutions that we were looking at weren't able to deliver the same outcome without reducing the number of outlets on our machine. They talk directly with the Tomra sizer equipment, so if they do need to pause, they will inhibit the fruit heading to that lane, so there's no fruit damage or anything like that. But generally they just don't stop. We send a fruit rate to them and they just keep on packing all day long. The Hawk machines are really simple. The user interface is easy to use, it's very intuitive, and it can be taught within 10-15 minutes. The advantages of being able to lease the equipment is it's an operating expense, not a capital expenditure that we need to be able to front up with. That's what makes it easy to get into. Hawk have been fantastic. We're their flagship Gen 5 packing shed in New Zealand, and they've been here whenever we need them and not when we don't need them.